Looking for the perfect bouquet gift? Let's compare regular flowers to Kuizi preserved flowers. Fresh bouquets look gorgeous at first, but in just days, petals wilt and colors fade. You need to change water, trim stems, and clean vases. Miss a day, flowers droop even faster. Artificial flowers last longer but lack natural beauty. They often look plastic and feel fake up close. Now meet Kuizi preserved flowers, handcrafted from real premium roses and blooms. Each bouquet is expertly arranged by skilled florists, preserved using a unique process for lasting freshness. No water, no trimming, no maintenance, ever. Just keep away from direct sunlight and humidity. Enjoy vibrant colors and soft petals for over a year. Kuizi bouquets arrive in a luxurious gift box. Unbox and instantly impress. No extra wrapping needed. Regular bouquets require last-minute prep and vases. With Kuizi, gifting is effortless and elegant. Let's see them side by side. Image: fresh bouquet wilting after a week. Image: Kuizi bouquet still vibrant after months. Image: artificial flowers, stiff unnatural look. Image: Kuizi, soft real petals and natural beauty. Regular bouquets lose value quickly. Kuizi bouquets remain stunning all year. Artificial flowers gather dust and fade. Kuizi needs no cleaning, no fuss. Regular bouquets limited to roses or simple mixes. Kuizi, rich blend of roses, hydrangeas, ferns, and more. Each Kuizi bouquet is a unique handmade creation. Regular bouquets, generic mass-produced arrangements. Artificial flowers, factory-made repetitive designs. Kuizi, crafted with care, every detail considered. Regular bouquets, short-lived enjoyment. Kuizi, lasting beauty for over a year. Artificial flowers, no scent, no life. Kuizi, real flowers, preserved to perfection. Regular bouquets, messy water changes. Kuizi, maintenance-free, always neat. Artificial flowers, hard to clean, collect dust. Kuizi, just dust lightly if needed. Regular bouquets, limited gifting occasions. Kuizi, perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day, and more. Artificial flowers, rarely chosen for premium gifts. Kuizi, premium quality, impressive presentation. Regular bouquets, no keepsake value. Kuizi, cherished all year as decor or memory. Artificial flowers, often hidden away after gifting. Kuizi, displayed proudly in any space. Regular bouquets, simple cellophane wrap. Kuizi, elegant, ready-to-gift box. Artificial flowers, basic packaging, rarely gift-ready. Kuizi, luxurious unboxing experience. Regular bouquets, fade with time. Kuizi, timeless elegance, unchanged. Artificial flowers, outdated styles. Kuizi, modern stylish arrangements. Regular bouquets require immediate attention. Kuizi, simply place and enjoy. Artificial flowers, no emotional impact. Kuizi, real flowers, heartfelt sentiment. Regular bouquets, seasonal availability. Kuizi, always in season, always fresh. Artificial flowers, limited variety. Kuizi, diverse, vibrant floral elements. Summary: Kuizi offers real, long-lasting, maintenance-free beauty. Handcrafted, premium, and elegantly packaged for gifting. Upgrade your gift or decor with Kuizi today. Choose Kuizi, lasting memories, effortless elegance. Order now and make every moment bloom. So what do you think? Isn't this the most gorgeous flower delivery in a box you've ever seen? If you're ready to make someone smile, well, yin. Whether it's your mom, grandma, partner, or friend, this bouquet is the perfect pick. I've dropped the Amazon link in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another thoughtful gift idea. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay blooming.